Welcome back, tech fans. Today we're diving into the top 4 best Mini-ITX cases of 2025, the compact powerhouses that cram full-sized performance into a desk-friendly footprint. Whether you're building a sleek LAN rig, a minimalist desktop build, or a high-end home theater PC, we've got the best designs, airflow champions, and budget-friendly picks lined up just for you. So, let's find your perfect SFF case and bring your small form factor for your dream build. To start the list, I'm going to talk about the InWin POC1, my top pick for the best overall Mini-ITX cases. The InWin POC1 stands out as the best overall Mini-ITX case, blending creativity, performance, and portability in one sleek package. Its design is truly unique, made from pre-linked flat panels that you can easily assemble yourself, giving a fun DIY experience unlike any other. The result is a compact, modern, and angular case that looks stunning on any desk setup. It's available in vibrant, eye-catching colors, and the interchangeable handles can even be rotated to act as display stands, making it as stylish as it is functional. When it comes to features and performance, the POC1 is built for both cooling efficiency and hardware flexibility. It comes with a specialized GPU chamber that keeps your graphics card's heat isolated from the rest of your components, ensuring smoother thermal management and better overall stability. Inside the flat-packed box, InWin includes a custom PCIe 4.0 riser cable, so your GPU can be mounted vertically without sacrificing speed or bandwidth. You can install up to a 240mm AIO liquid cooler if you're using an SFX power supply, or 120mm fans if you prefer an ATX PSU setup, giving you excellent options for cooling performance. Every element of the case is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and airflow while maintaining a clean, minimalist interior. As for pros and cons, the POC1 shines with its innovative modular design, great thermals, and build flexibility, all packed into a small footprint. However, assembling it for the first time might take some patience, and space can be tight for larger components. In conclusion, the InWin POC1 is a perfect blend of style, creativity, and engineering, an ideal Mini-ITX case for builders who want both personality and performance in a compact form. Next, I'm going to talk about the Thermaltake Tower 300 Turquoise, my pick for the best vertical Mini-ITX showcase. The Thermaltake Tower 300 Turquoise stands out as one of the most eye-catching and functional vertical Mini-ITX showcase cases of 2025. Its design immediately captures attention with its unique octagonal prism shape, combining sleek modern aesthetics with Thermaltake's signature Tower Series vertical layout. The turquoise color adds a refreshing, vibrant touch to any setup, while the panoramic glass panels beautifully display your components from multiple angles. Compact yet bold, it's perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a statement piece on their desk. When it comes to features and performance, the Tower 300 Turquoise doesn't hold back. It supports up to M-ATX motherboards, offering flexibility beyond standard Mini-ITX builds. Inside, you can fit a massive RTX 4090 GPU, a 420mm AIO radiator, and even a standard 220mm power supply, which is rare for compact cases. Cooling is a major highlight. It comes pre-equipped with two 140mm CT fans and supports up to 8 120mm or 140mm fans for extreme airflow customization. The optional 3.9-inch LCD screen kit lets you monitor real-time system info or display custom graphics, while the chassis stand kit allows for a horizontal display orientation, giving your setup a futuristic showcase vibe. Every detail of this case is designed with both performance and presentation in mind. On the plus side, the Tower 300 shines with its exceptional build quality, cooling versatility, and stunning aesthetics, making it a dream case for showpiece builds. However, its vertical footprint and premium accessories may require a bit more desk space and budget. In conclusion, the Thermaltake Tower 300 Turquoise is more than just a PC case. It's a work of art for modern builders, combining power, beauty, and innovation in one breathtaking package. And now I'm going to talk about the Lian A4H2O, my pick for the best gaming Mini-ITX case. The Lian A4H2O is widely recognized as one of the best gaming Mini-ITX cases in 2025, blending ultra-compact engineering with powerful hardware support. At just 11 liters in volume, this case is impressively small, yet incredibly refined. The sleek aluminum exterior, available in black or silver, gives it a minimalist and elegant look that fits perfectly in any modern setup. Despite its small footprint, the A4H2O features ventilated mesh panels on all major sides, ensuring excellent airflow and keeping your components cool during long gaming sessions. Its premium build quality, with a mix of aluminum and SPCC steel, provides both lightness and durability, a true hallmark of Lian craftsmanship. When it comes to features, specs, and performance, the A4H2O is designed for enthusiasts who want power in a small package. It supports triple-slot GPUs, meaning you can fit today's top-tier graphics cards like the RTX 4090 without compromise. Its innovative sandwich layout places the GPU behind the motherboard, optimizing internal space while maintaining airflow efficiency. Cooling is a standout feature. It supports up to a 240mm AIO radiator, mounted conveniently on a removable top bracket for easy installation. The smart internal layout also supports both SFX and SFXL power supplies, with a pre-routed power cord extension that avoids component interference. Every detail is engineered for performance, precision, and convenience, proving that small form factor doesn't mean sacrificing capability. As for pros, the Lian A4H2O excels in premium build quality, efficient airflow, and outstanding GPU support in such a compact size. However, due to its tight layout, cable management can be challenging, and the price is higher than most Mini-ITX cases. In conclusion, the Lian A4H2O is the ultimate compact gaming powerhouse, perfect for players and creators who want a stylish, space-saving PC that still delivers full-sized performance. Last on the list, I'm going to talk about the Cooler Master NR200, my pick for the best budget Mini-ITX cases. The Cooler Master NR200 stands tall as one of the best budget Mini-ITX cases of 2025, offering premium design and performance at an affordable price. With a compact 18.25-liter footprint, it's sleek, minimalistic, and purpose-built for small form factor enthusiasts. The exterior features vented steel panels on the sides and top, ensuring excellent airflow while maintaining a clean, industrial aesthetic. Its open interior design makes it easy to access and customize components, while the compact shape allows it to fit perfectly in any workspace or gaming setup without compromising power or cooling. In terms of features and performance, the NR200 truly punches above its weight. It supports horizontal triple-slot GPUs up to 330mm, meaning it can comfortably house top-end cards like the RTX 4080 Super or the AMD RX 9070 XT, a rare feat for a small case. The layout is intelligently designed for both air and liquid cooling, with support for 240mm or 280mm radiators on the side, and room for up to 6 fans, ensuring your rig stays cool even under intense gaming or rendering loads. CPU coolers up to 165mm fit easily, and it supports SFX and SFXL power supplies up to 130mm in length. Every panel is removable for hassle-free installation, and the overall airflow design is optimized for balanced temperature control, even with high-end hardware. When it comes to pros and cons, the Cooler Master NR200 shines with its excellent airflow, hardware compatibility, and incredible value for the price. However, the SFX PSU requirement might limit options for budget builders, and cable management can be a bit tight due to its compact interior. In conclusion, the Cooler Master NR200 delivers top-tier cooling, versatility, and build quality in a small, affordable package, making it the ultimate choice for gamers and creators seeking big performance in a small footprint.